Ever wondered what kind of data Flinks, the popular financial data aggregator, actually gets its hands on? Let's dive deep. Flinks has revolutionized how we interact with our finances. By seamlessly connecting to various financial institutions, it provides a unified view of your financial health. But what exactly does it access? Let's break down the types of data Flinks typically collects and why it's necessary. Core data Flinks accesses. Account information. Account numbers, unique identifiers for each of your accounts. Account names, descriptive labels for your accounts, e.g., checking account, savings account. Account types, categorization of your accounts, e.g., checking, savings, credit card. Account balances, real-time or near real-time balances for each account. Currency, the currency associated with each account. Transaction data. Transaction date, the date on which each transaction occurred. Transaction amount, the monetary value of each transaction. Transaction 1 description, a brief description of each transaction. Merchant name, the name of the merchant involved in the transaction. Merchant category, the category of the merchant, e.g., groceries, dining, travel. Transaction type, the type of transaction, e.g., debit, credit, deposit, withdrawal. Transaction location, the geographical location where the transaction took place, often inferred from the merchant's address. Enriched data. Category tags, automated categorization of transactions into specific categories, e.g., utilities, entertainment. Sentiment analysis, analysis of transaction descriptions to determine the sentiment associated with each transaction, e.g., positive, negative, neutral. Budgeting insights, recommendations for budgeting based on spending patterns. Investment performance, analysis of investment performance, if applicable. Why does Flinks need this data? Now, you might be wondering, why does Flinks need all this information? The answer lies in the services it provides. Personalized financial insights. By analyzing your transaction history, Flinks can identify spending patterns, highlight areas for potential savings, and provide tailored financial advice. Automated budgeting. Flinks can automatically categorize your expenses and create personalized budgets based on your spending habits. Bill payment automation. With access to your account information, Flinks can automate bill payments, ensuring timely and accurate payments. Fraud detection. By monitoring your transactions, Flinks can detect unusual activity and alert you to potential fraud. Investment tracking. If you have investment accounts linked to Flinks, it can track their performance, providing valuable insights into your investment portfolio. Data privacy and security. It's important to note that Flinks prioritizes data privacy and security. They employ robust security measures to protect your sensitive financial information. When you grant Flinks access to your financial data, you can rest assured that your information is handled with the utmost care. Common misconceptions. Let's address a few common misconceptions about Flinks. Flinks doesn't control your money. Flinks doesn't have direct access to your funds. It simply collects and analyzes data to provide you with valuable insights. Flinks isn't a bank. Flinks is not a financial institution. It's a technology company that helps you manage your finances more effectively. Flinks is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By understanding the types of data it accesses, you can make informed decisions about how you use this service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.